back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Amanda, and today I'm going to be doing a fall clothing haul. But before that, I do want to let you guys know that I am selling some of my clothes and makeup on Poshmark, so be sure to check it out. I will leave my username right here, and as well as a link in the description box below where you can download the Poshmark app. And if you do use that link, you will get a $5 credit to shop on Poshmark. Thank you so much to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. So if you've never heard of Poshmark before, basically it is an app where you can be a buyer or a seller or both. You can just list your clothing, your makeup, whatever you want to list there. I've sold so many items on there, and I've made so much money on Poshmark from just the things that were laying around collecting dust in my house. So I definitely encourage you guys to use it, whether you want to sell your stuff, get rid of them, or if you want to buy items from other poshers out there like myself. I also want to mention that Poshmark has really big brands on there such as Nike, Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, and a bunch more. Before we get into my fall haul, I do want to show you guys a few things that I listed on Poshmark. So this is an olive romper. It is a little bit large on me now. It is a size large. I used to love this romper so much, and yes, it is wrinkly right now and it needs to be ironed, but that's besides the point. It is so freaking cute. Again, it is a size large. Next up is this romper right over here. Another one that is a size large. Is off the shoulder and it's so cute, you guys. You can make the waist a little tighter right here with the little drawstrings. I also want to show you guys a few makeup products that I did list on there. I have this Tarte blush, a brand spanking new, you guys. This is the full size, if I can open it. This is the full size, so pretty, so beautiful. So I also listed some of the Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Longwear lipsticks, and this is by Too Faced. And what's really cool about Poshmark is that you can add things into a bundle, so you can save on shipping, and then you can also offer the seller like a price that you want to pay for the bundle, so like a discounted price. So that's really cool. Don't forget to check out the link down below, download the app, get your $5 credit for Poshmark, guys, and check out my closet. And don't forget to list your closet name down below so I can check out your closet, and so that all of you guys can check out each other's closet. And let's move on to the fall haul. First item I do want to talk about is this long sleeves right here. It's so freaking cute. I wore it in my anniversary trip with my husband just last weekend, and I got so many compliments. So this is just a nice mustard long sleeve with the buttons right here and with the wraparound detailing right here. I'm honestly so freaking obsessed with like wraparound tops, and I think they're just so freaking cute. And this one is a size small from OOTD Fashion. The next item I have right over here is a nice cute top. It's just short sleeves crop top with the buttons right here. And next is probably one of my favorite tops. Oh my gosh. So I'll insert a picture right here of me wearing it. This is our wrap up top. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a twisty detailing in front, and it is a rib material and it's very stretchy. I love this top, and I have it in size small. It also comes in burgundy. Like I said, I'm obsessed with this top, super cute. I love to pair it up with our new jeans, also from Secret Boutique. And this is what it looks like. This is the Babe jeans. I also wore it with that top in the picture I inserted, which I'll insert it again right here, right now. And I am wearing size 7 for these. They are so stretchy, high-waisted. Keeps my mommy belly nice and in. The next top is this one right here. It's so freaking cute, you guys. This is called the Nikki top. Again, long sleeves. It has this scrunchy detailing right here, and you can like scrunch it up if you want it to look more scrunched and cropped. It's so freaking cute, and I believe it's only like $10.99 or $11.99. So for this one right here, this is like our mustardy top. It's called a seductive top. Again, it has that wraparound detailing, which is really freaking cute. I am also a size small in this one. I have it in black as well. So that's basically it for this mini fall haul. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a fall lookbook, maybe incorporating these items or even more than that. Don't forget to check out the link down below so you can download Poshmark and shop my closet. And yeah, thank you again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.